How to manage caller ID on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage caller ID on Skype mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Skype and now click on your profile here and then click settings, and now all you need to do just click calling here, this one, and then click this one, caller ID, and now click here and type your caller ID and then just click add phone number, and it will be done. Just type your phone number here and verify your phone number, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.